Here it comes. 3, 2, 1, go!
If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this. Alright you all, so even though we have the sign back here, we also have this. So as you all can see, it is the STRAT, the top of the world. And you see those cables? I'm about to jump down and I am so scared, but I'm gonna do it. Yes. It's your boy Mr. Bucket List. Peace out. Here we go to the sky pod. I'm so scared, you all. You have no idea.
All right, Justin, you're about to jump 855 feet off the STRAT in Las Vegas, Nevada. How are you feeling?
I'm scared.
But you're gonna do this. You're not gonna chicken out on us.
No, of course not.
Anything you want to say to your family and friends?
Sure. You all know Mr. Bucket List, and it's doing another day, so let's get it.
All right. Well, I hope you have fun. See you on your way. One step out there on the bullseye. Wait for me there. Your camera is on. Go ahead and turn your arm around. You can show everyone a view. Turn it in.
Oh, there we go.
You go.
Oh my
Go
God.
ahead and take a step out over here towards me. Whew. Turn around and look inside. We're going to take one more photo.
Okay.
Go ahead and turn back around. Just wait there.
Oh boy. Oh my God.
Come on over. Turn to your right. Both hands there on the gray.
Okay.
We're going to do some final checks.
Okay.
Made on. Back's on. Restrain it. Free and clear. Right hand on the red. Bring your left hand across the other side on the red. Both feet on the yellow. And just wait for my countdown.
Okay.
Yeah. Here it comes. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! Woo-hoo! Wow, my God. So yeah, that landing was pretty rough. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. This is another snippet from my documentary I have coming up on my full solo trip to Vegas. It's going to be a great one, so definitely if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, like on this video, give it a comment, and I'll see you soon. It's your boy Mr. Bucket List. Peace out.